So next stop was from Belgium. I
Yeah,
guess
so
you
from
guys went to
here,
Netherlands. Yeah.
like I think we are done by roughly 7 days of the trip by now. So half the trip was done. From here, we went to Eindhoven, where Supriya's childhood friend,
Yeah.
lived. So yeah, I mean, it took us quite a lot of time to reach. I don't remember now exactly how much time, etc. But yeah, I think. Yeah, I think we reached late in the evening and we just rested on that particular day. The next day was the second peak of the trip we
Okay.
had, which is Zaanse Schans. Now, Zaanse Schans is a place where you find those old, wooden windmills. It's a place that has lush green meadows, that's water
Yeah.
around. So your typical, memories of childhood, where small kids would create those three mountains, and then there would
Yeah.
be a river flowing, and
Birds flying over
yeah,
one
and there's
sun, one
birds
hut.
flying, and there would be,
Yeah.
grass all around.
Yeah.
That's exactly the place. That's exactly what Zanskans is. The only difference being there are no mountains. It's a flat
Yeah.
topography,
Flat topography. Mm.
uh, grass all around, uh, water in different lanes or canals, if I can call it. I don't know if
Yeah.
canals is the right word to use, but there is plenty of water in Zanskans. There are live, chocolate workshops that you get to attend. There is cheese being made,
Yeah.
and that cheese does taste different. It's not your regular run of the mill cheese. There are different flavors of cheese, and
Yeah.
it's a so cheese is a I think cheese is a world in itself, right? I mean, if you love cheese, you can just immerse yourself into that and
Yeah.
just have a gala time. So, Zanskans is all about being in. So it's a very small village of sorts. You would roughly walk 4 to 5 kilometers inside and 4 to 5 kilometers back. That's it, and you'll be done for the day because uh, reaching Zanskans takes a bit of time. So
Yeah.
you spend good 6, 7, 8 hours in the place. You eat,
Mhm.
you travel, you walk, you explore,
Right.
and you're done by the time you're done, it's good 4, 5 p.m. in the evening. So during the day, you can just do Zanskans, and from there we went to Amsterdam. Amsterdam, like, I mean, the tales of Amsterdam are quite fabled. Everyone
Yeah.
knows what they do in Amsterdam, so we did the same
Yeah.
things. But again, Amsterdam does bedazzle you with the architecture. There are so many good things
Yeah.
to see, observe. The vibe is just amazing. That city does feel like an engineering marvel for sure because when you get to know things like it's a city that's actually under the sea level, you know
Yeah.
and
Right.
then you get to see all these magnificent structures all around you. It's just amazing. You get to see cycles, people running on cycles everywhere, very beautiful surroundings all around. um uh, it's a place with a lot of good energy that you experience. But one thing that I would love to talk about Amsterdam, it's a
Mm.
very small point, but there is a place which serves really good brownies. Uh,
Mm.
uh, the name of that place is Wonstapeel. Okay.
Okay.
So I urge your viewers whenever they go to Amsterdam, it's a very famous place in Amsterdam. Do go to that place who serve those cookies as well as brownies at Wonstapeel.
Oh,
So yeah,
sure.
from
Will
there
do.
we went to Eindhoven again. We chilled with our friends for a day, and then we went to Valkenburg. Valkenburg again is a very small village in Netherlands. The uniqueness of that place is it has a point where the borders of three countries come together: France,
Oh,
Germany,
yes.
and Netherlands. So yeah, it's a nice scenic town, village that you see. So you get to experience the vibe of a European village, how it is.
Nice.
Like the pace of the cars and the way you meet the main city. So the amalgamation of, like a small town meeting the main highway, and from the main highway you will eventually reach the main city. That transition you get to observe, which for me was very, very special. And yeah, it's good. I think 80 to 100 odd kilometers from Eindhoven, the place where our friends lived. Yeah, I mean, the vehicles run at a speed of 100 kph there. So it's
So how did you hear about this? Because this is not
this
something
was
which is
planned by
taught.
our friends. It wasn't
Okay.
something that.
Because Montmartre, I haven't heard about
Yeah,
Montmartre.
yeah,
Maybe
yeah,
it's
yeah.
famous,
So
but Valkenburg, Montmartre, these are things which I'm
yeah,
hearing for the first time.
yeah. So this was not our brains. It was planned by our friends. They said,
Nice.
now that you've seen so many cities of Europe,
Yeah.
let's take you to a European village. You get to see that vibe as
Yes.
well. So
Yeah.
so we like kind of surrendered our time to them, and we said, you plan.
I think that's great also, no, because this is something beyond what we have thought of, or we
Yeah,
are known of.
yeah,
We are knowing something about. So like Amsterdam, you associate something. Belgium, like I asked you about the food, or we have seen pictures and
yeah,
heard from others experiences, but these are things which rarely we hear about
yeah,
the small towns and what exists out there.
yeah, yeah.
So this was Netherlands. Anything about Netherlands which struck you the most, which was different from France and Belgium, like
Commonality was mainly this. Yeah, I mean, the topography is
yeah,
just flat. Like,
yeah,
you don't get, like in India, like you move from one city to another. There are mountains all along not the mountains, but
yeah,
the hillocks and the hills are all along the way.
correct.
And then there are farmlands, and then there are
Yeah.
rivers and different water
Mm.
bodies and things to that effect. Right? In Amsterdam, you do get to see farms, you do get to see some
Yeah.
water bodies, but everything is just flat, just flat. So yeah, I think that was a unique thing to observe.
Yeah. Yes. So next, I guess, was your last
Yeah,
last country
last place
in your
was
trip.
Germany.